Hello, my mathematician. Welcome to lesson 33. It says I can model 0 less and 1 less in pictures and as subtraction number sentences. So let's dive into the class. Now we're going to begin with our recurrent counting. How many red beads do you see? How many white beads do you see? You can see 5 red beads and 5 white beads. So that means 5 and 5 make what? How many altogether? Make 10. Now count the same way as I move the beads. Are you ready? So that will be what? 10, 1. Do you see that? The next one will be what? 10, 2. What about the next one? 10, 3. Good. What about the next one? 10, 4. Good. The next becomes 10, 5. You can see I have 10 before and I'm adding 1 extra. So I'm in 10, 5. Let me add again. It's going to be 10, 6. And I add one more, becomes what? 10, 7. And again becomes 10, 8. Add another one, becomes 10, 9. And finally we have 10, 10 or 2 tens. That's 20. Do you see that? So 10, 1 simply means what? 11. Don't forget. 10, 2 simply means what? 12. 10, 3 means what? 13. 10, 4, 14. 10, 5, 15. What about 10, 6? 16. 10, 7, 17. 10, 8, 18. 10, 9, 19. And finally 2 tens. Good. 20. Now let's count backwards. Are you ready? 10, 9, 19. 10, 8, 18. Good. 10, 7, what will be? 10, 7 is what? 17. 10, 6 now becomes 16. 10, 5, 15. 10, 4, 14. 10, 3, 13. 10, 2, 12. 10, 11. Sorry, 10, 1, 11. Good. And finally we're back to what? Back to 10 and 9 and 8 and 7 and 6 and 5 and 4 and 3, 2 and 1. So that's all for our recurrent counting. Okay, now let's continue. Okay, now we have some sprints to solve. All right, now these are addition number sentences. We're going to add the numbers together to get an answer. The first we have is 3 plus 1. That will be 3. So that will be to count 3 circles and 1 circle, then add them together. Okay, so that will be 3 plus 1 equals to 4. And then 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. 9 plus 1, 10. 6 plus 1, 7. 8 plus 1, 9. 2 plus 1, 3. 7 plus 1, 8. 1 plus 7, 8. 1 plus 9, 10. 1 plus 6, 7. 2 plus 2, 4. 3 plus 2, 5. 4 plus 2, 6. 8 plus 2, 10. 5 plus 2, 7. 6 plus 2, 8. 7 plus 2, 9. 2 plus 7, 9. 2 plus 8, 10. 2 plus 5, 7. 2 plus 6, 8. Then over to the other side, number 23. You have 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 6, 9. 1 plus 8, 9. 2 plus 3, 5. 1 plus 4, 5. 2 plus 4, 6. 1 plus 3, 4. 1 plus 5, 6. 3 plus 3, 6. 4 plus 3, 7. 5 plus 3, 8. 6 plus 3, 9. 7 plus 3, 10. 3 plus 7, 10. 3 plus 4, 7. 3 plus 5, 8. 4 plus 4, 8. 5 plus 4, 8. 6 plus 4, 10. 4 plus 6, 10. 4 plus 5, 9. And finally we have 5 plus 5, 10. Okay, now let's move on to the 0 less and 1 less fluency practice. Are you ready? Now what is 1 less than 8? 1 less simply means you have to what? Remove 1. 1 less means what? You have to what? Remove 1. So what is 1 less than 8? That gives us what? 7. When I remove 1 from 8, I will have what? 7. Okay, now What comes before 6? That means like saying 1 less than 6. That gives us what? 5. Okay, 6 minus 0. 0 means nothing. 0 means what? Nothing. So 6 minus 0 simply means 6 minus nothing. So that leaves us with what? 6. So the answer is still 6. Then we have 0 less than 9 is what? 0 means nothing. So the answer still remains what? 9. Then we have 9 is 1 less than dash. 9 is 1 less than dash. 9 is 1 less than dash. It's just like saying 1 less than dash is 9. So 1 less than what will be 9? That will be 1 less than 10. So that means 9 is 1 less than 10. That means when I remove 1 from 10, I'm going to have 9. Okay, the next one is 9 equals 10 minus what? 9 equals what? 10 minus what? It's just the same thing as saying 9 is 1 less than what? So 9 equals what? 10 minus 1, because when I remove 1 from 10, I'm going to have my what? My 9. Okay, and let's move on to the application problem for today. Are you ready? Now it says 9 children are playing outside. 1 child is on the swings and the rest are playing tag. Now how many children are playing tag? Write a number bond and a number sentence. Make a math drawing to show how you know. So we have 9 children, am I right? Playing on the swings, okay? And 9 children playing outside, and 1 is playing on the swing. Now how many will be remaining? So what I'm to do, we were taught count on before, so we're going to count on from the 1 child playing on the swings. So the total, which is 9. So I'm to count on from 1 to 9. So that gives us 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm having my 8 fingers. So that means 8 children are playing tags. How many are playing tags? 8 children are playing tags. My number bond is going to be a whole having 9. The first part having 1, and the missing part becomes what? Becomes 8. Good. Now how many beads are on your number bracelet? As you can see, we have 10. And I'm going to take 1 away. You see that becomes how many? 9. Okay, so we have 9 beads. Now take 1 bead away and write another sentence to show what we did. So tell me, I just took 1 again. Now I'm having how many beads? 8 beads. That becomes 9 minus 1 equals to 8. You can see that. So I'm having 8 beads. Okay, let's take 1 again. Now we're having 7 beads. That means it's 8 minus 1 equals 7. So I'm having what? How many beads left? 7 beads. Now push your heads back and open your pipe cleaner so that your beads are in a straight line. So we have 10 beads on the pipe cleaner. Are you ready? Now push a set of 3 white beads away to the end of the pipe cleaner. Tell me a number sentence to describe what we did. So I have 10 before and I pushed 3 away. So that means that will give us 10 minus what? 3, because I'm taking 3 away. So that leaves us with how many left? 7. That's 5 red and 2 white beads. Okay. Alright, now we are going to be solving some problems again. So use your head to show me 7 minus 1. Write the number sentence on your board. Are you ready? Now show me 5 minus 1. Write the number sentence on the board. Good. So 7 minus 1 gives us what? Using the same method of counting on, we're going to have to count from 1 to 7. So let's count on from 1 to 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That gives us 6 fingers. So the answer is what? 6. So 7 minus 1 is 6. Then we have 5 minus 1. Counted from what? 1 to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that gives us 4 fingers. So that means the answer is 4. 5 minus 1 equals what? Equals 4. Okay. Now we have 4 beads. This time, take 0 away. So 4 beads, take nothing away. That leaves us with how many? 4 is still 4, because 0 means nothing. So 4 minus 0 simply means I will not take anything away from the 0. Okay. Now let's try that with a larger number. Push all your beads back to the middle so we can start with 10. Now we have 10 beats. Take away 0 beats. Don't take any beat. That's 0. 0 means nothing. How many beats do we have? We still have 10 beats because 0 means nothing. So when I say take 0 beats, I'm talking about you taking nothing from the set of beats. So that leaves us with what? 10 beats still. Okay, now hide 1 beat in your hand. Now we have 9 beats. Take 0 beats away. How many beats do we have now? It's still 9 beats. Am I right? Because I took 1 before, I'm having 9 now. I took 0. It's still 9 because 0 means nothing, so the answer remains 9. Okay, now hide 3 more beats. Now you're having 6 beats because I took 3 out, so I'm having 6 beats. Now take away 0 beats from the 6 beats. It will still be what? 6 beats because 0 means nothing. 0 means what? Nothing. Okay. Alright, that will be all for today. Let's really take some of our worksheets and classwork, then we call it a day. You have cross off when needed to subtract. So we have 6 circles and we have to cross out 1 because we are saying 6 minus 1 equals to dash. Am I right? Yeah, so what am I going to do? I'm going to cross out 1, and when I cross out 1, I'm going to have what? When I cross out 1, how many will be left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 will be my answer. Here you have 6 minus 0. 0 means nothing, so I'm not going to cross out anything. So the answer remains what? 6. Here we have 7 minus 1. That means I'm to count 7 circles and take away 1, and that leaves us with how many? With 6 circles. And we have 7 minus 0. That means I'm to take away nothing from the 7, and that leaves us with what? 7. Okay. So that will be all for today's class. I'll see you in our next class. Take care. Bye.